Hello, this is Aparna. It is a ground plus one structure. A lavish bungalow designed on a rectangular plot of size 46 feet by 49 feet, abutting to main roads in eastern and northern direction, where the main entrance to the bungalow and garden is from east. The bungalow has a small attached shop to it, in its plan, which is accessible from the road in north direction. First floor have 1 BHK for rent purpose. The bungalow has a step entrance with veranda in front of the car parking area. Here the living room acts as a nodal transition space for every other space connected to a puja room, a guest bedroom, a common dressing and toilet area, a master bedroom. First floor is interconnected from the internal staircase in bungalow and an external staircase from garden as well. The internally connected area of the bungalow has a huge living room, puja room and an open terrace, a kitchen area, a bedroom with attached dressing room and toilet bathroom. Subscribe this channel for more ideas.